When you search for roof racks for cars without rails, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Abahub Soft Roof Rack. First up is the Abahub Soft Roof Rack, priced at around $60.68. What caught my attention was its versatility. It's designed to carry everything from surfboards to canoes. If you want a flexible solution for your outdoor gear, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This universal roof rack fits SUVs, sedans, and even hatchbacks. So if you love adventure, you won't be limited by your vehicle type. The heavy-duty nylon material can handle all kinds of weather, ensuring your gear stays put, while the complete securing kit with 13 FT and 16 FT straps means you can tie down just about anything securely. Plus, it has a non-slip bottom to keep everything stable during your drive. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky at first glance. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. Just remember to clean your car roof and follow the steps closely. It's not a deal breaker, especially if you're someone who enjoys outdoor activities. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs to transport various types of gear. Skip this one if you need something permanent, or if you frequently carry heavy loads, since it might not offer the best long-term stability for very heavy items. Product number 2, HEYTRIP Soft Roof Rack. Next up is the HEYTRIP Universal Soft Roof Rack, retailing at around $77.15. What caught my eye here is its impressive load capacity of 176.4 pounds. If you want something reliable for your larger loads, this is worth a serious look. The padded cam locks on the 15 FT tie-down straps ensure your kayak or surfboard stays secure, which is crucial if you're driving at higher speeds. Plus, the non-slip mat is designed to protect your vehicle's roof and minimize noise, making your road trips a lot quieter. However, some users noted that the straps can sometimes slip if not secured properly. But here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you double-check your tie-downs before hitting the road, you should be just fine. It's all about taking that extra moment to ensure everything is tight. This is perfect for you if you often transport larger items like kayaks or multiple surfboards. Skip this one if you're looking for something that you can leave on your car permanently, as this is more of a temporary solution. Product number 3, Munerator Roof Rack Crossbars. Now let's talk about the Munerator Roof Rack Crossbars, priced at approximately $80.56. The strong aluminum construction caught my attention here. If you want something sturdy that won't let you down, this is worth a serious look. This rack is designed to fit cars without pre-installed roof racks, which is great for those who don't have existing options. With a load capacity of 165.4 pounds, it can easily handle camping gear or luggage. The installation is straightforward. Just make sure to keep your driving speed around 80 km/h to maintain stability. However, some users found that the assembly required a bit of finesse. But here's the thing, as long as you follow the instructions carefully, you should be good to go. It's a minor hassle for a product that performs well. This is perfect for you if you're someone who occasionally needs to carry larger items but doesn't want a permanent roof fixture. Skip this one if you need to haul very heavy items regularly, as it might not be suitable for constant heavy use. Product number 4, Frebuta Roof Rack Crossbars. The next one on the list is the Frebuta Roof Rack Crossbars, available for around $54.38. The heavy-duty iron pipe construction really stood out to me. If you want something that can handle a good amount of weight without warping, this is worth a serious look. The anti-warping design ensures a stable fit, which is vital for your peace of mind while driving. Plus, they're designed with a no-drill installation, making it easy to set up without damaging your vehicle. Now, some might find them a bit heavy at 10.28 pounds, which could complicate installation. But honestly, that weight contributes to their stability, so it's really a trade-off. If you prioritize strength, it's a fair compromise. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel and need a reliable solution for transporting gear. Skip this one if you have a compact car, as they may not fit as well as designed for larger vehicles. Product number 5, Auto Dynasty Roof Rack. Last but not least is the Auto Dynasty Roof Rack, which is specifically designed for the Tucson model from 2016 to 2026. While the price isn't listed, the features make it a solid option for those who own this car. If you want a custom-fit solution, this is worth a serious look. What sets this roof rack apart is its compatibility with factory roof rails, which means it integrates seamlessly with your vehicle. It can hold up to 150 pounds evenly distributed, making it ideal for carrying bikes or luggage. The material is built to withstand outdoor conditions, so you won't have to worry about rust or corrosion. However, it's worth noting that this rack can only be used with specific Tucson models and won't fit others. If you have a different car, it's a deal breaker. But if you do own a Tucson, it's a great fit that offers style and practicality. This is perfect for you if you own a Tucson and want a reliable, stylish solution for your gear. Skip this one if your vehicle isn't compatible, as it's really meant for a specific audience. So to wrap it all up, we've covered the Abahub Soft Roof Rack for versatility, the Heytrip for larger loads, the Munerator for sturdiness, the Frebuta for strength, and the Auto Dynasty for a custom fit. Each has its strengths and might be the perfect solution for your needs, depending on what you're looking for. Choose wisely and happy adventures.